Hello guys, welcome for today's tutorial. This is Naja Pride Crazy Tips, and you can see our revenue things are going normal. But if you really want to learn how to go about this, it is very simple. You can see the CPM is very nice, and you can see today we're having up to 5.28 5.280 dollars CPM, and we are getting up to $3 right now. Okay, so and you can see the other day, yesterday, we got up to $29, and then today is just $3. And if you check the CPM, you're gonna notice that Adsterra is just based on CPM, and you can see here I have up to $8 CPM, and I was able to make up to $29, and then today I have $5 CPM, and I have $3, right? And I believe definitely before evening time, you see that the CPM increased, and the earning crossed $29, or the CPM decreases, and I'm not gonna earn good revenue today. All right, so if today is the first time of joining us here, you just need to click on that subscription button and then subscribe to this channel. And another thing that you really need to do is that I'm going to show you the tricks on how to get your traffic, so you can easily, you know, get rid of this and start making your money. All right, so right, who is this? Who is this person? So talking about this, man, we just need to, okay, let's go to Adsterra direct link. I'm going to show you something here. Okay, here are some of the stuff here, and I'm using all these links at different places. This is the two links that I'm making use of here. This Mr. Wyben and Punchline News Today .adult link. This is an adult link, right? So I'm using it to run my stuff right here. Now I'm going to show you one thing that you guys really need to know about this Adsterra. You just need to go straight to Play Store, and then you got to search for Adsterra Adsterra just search Adsterra app. You search for it, then you're gonna see this stuff here. Let me turn on my brush. You're going to see two different Adsterra stuff here. You just download this particular one with the um, uh, red background. Okay, this is the one I'm talking about here. Alright, trying to download this particular one here. Right, so once you install this app, you just need to open it. I'm going to show you what others are saying about Adsterra. Here they are sharing testimonies on how they did it, and how they made it. You just need to click on this Adsterra news update here, this first stuff here. Okay, here you're going to see how to Adsterra High CPM trick. This first one here is learned from the Adsterra Load. So here you're going to see many things. You're going to read many things about traffic. You know, the best thing about this stuff is once you're able to make a good, reasonable traffic, you are going to be making cool amount of money. So here you're going to read on how to monetize WordPress website in 2023, a guide to placing profitable ads. So you just need to read about that. Then here it gives how to monetize a website in 2023, 10 different ways with examples. You get it. Blog monetization case studies by actually any. Okay, you can see this girl right here. She made up to 1,200 in just 2 months. For you to know about this, you just need to click on read more right here, and then you're going to start reading on how she made this 1,200 1,200 dollars. Right, so here you can see Adsterra is proud of having the brightest female entrepreneur among our publishers, and today a star blogger actually and is on stage with her blog monetization case study. So you just need to read all this stuff, how the girl, you can see the girl here, she's a blogger, a content creator. He said, I'm actually Annie, and I'm here today to share a story of finding my way as a blogger and a business person. I've always been extremely passionate about digital technology. So you just need to read all this. He said, I've been running my blog for 2 months already, but I've already made over $1,200 with its content and Adsterra ads. Yep, it wasn't an easy ride, but today I'm going to share some of my findings that help you drive safer and reach your goal a little bit faster. So he said, my first blog monetization experience. So you're going to read all this stuff right here. So once you are done with this, you are going to learn many things about this Adsterra, on how you can drive traffic, the best content that you will write that's going to drive reasonable traffic to your site. So many of you guys like going through shortcut like just kind of pushing people for them to click on your Adsterra direct link and then you make money. No, it is quietly is very nice, like you can make money through that same way, but in other way around, if you really need a steady flow traffic, if you really need steady flow traffic, what you just need to do is to first of all create the channel first, so that you will not run out of traffic. All right, so now we go back. Now if you really want to watch tutorials, video tutorials on how to go about it, you just need to click on this Adsterra video tutorials here, and it's going to take you to where you're going to advertisement. So it's going to take you to the place where you're going to watch videos on how to save. Okay, here, save up to 2K numbers on WhatsApp. All right, okay, say how I made $100 in 2 days. Say I earned $90 today, which watch it now. All right, so you just need to okay, see Facebook bombing for traffic, how to bomb Facebook to get traffic. This is Adsterra payment proof. You got to, so some of you saying that Adsterra is a scam, you don't really need to watch this particular payment proof, and then you see how it works and how the guy was able to pull off money there. So this is how to get 15.2k traffic. All right, so you just need to watch this video right here. You can see it's very simple. You just need to watch the video right here, and then you make your money. You start making your money. So, and another part of this app that I really love is that you can easily chat directly to with other app users right here. You can easily chat with them, and you can see this one is talking about website. You just need to click on comment here, and then you put down your comment. You just need to comment right here. So that is what I want to tell you guys right here, right now. You just need to follow up and then install this app on Play Store. Go straight to Play Store and then install this app. It's very, very necessary if you really want to learn how to make money online using Adsterra. Just need to install this app. Okay, so thank you for watching today's tutorial. In our next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to run arbitrage and the best selling way that you can make money using Facebook ads. You know, previously we like using all these adult pictures to run ad, but Facebook doesn't approve all those stuff right now. So but I've strategized and then watch out for the best way that we can be using this time around. So video is coming up, so try to install this app and then follow up the tutorial one after the other. Thank you.